Alright, subject topic for today is friends with benefits. Off jump, I'm gonna let you know if a girl even agree to being friends with benefits, dude, that's equivalent to a girl motherfucking give the nigga some head for real. Off jump. Like a nigga in love. Like he might be in love, but he ain't in love. He like, nigga, I'm in love cause nigga, I ain't got no strings attached and I'm hitting this. I'm in love, nigga. Like I ain't going nowhere until shit get real. Like for real though. Like a nigga be stuck. Like nigga, I'm hitting this, and I don't even go with her. But to be serious about the situation though, man, friends with benefits is like you have sex and that's basically the end of it. You know, you could chill with the person, y'all could be cool and everything, share some laughs and kick it. But when you incorporate being around the person all the time and, you know, sharing everything, then it become a relationship, and that's more than being friends with benefits. So it's basically you'll have sex, laugh, and split. That's the end of it. So like the people that get more out of that than just being friends with benefits is the people that always want to be up under the person after y'all done already did what y'all had to do. And it's like you want to kick it, you want to tell me your lifelong story, you want to meet my moms, which is definitely not happening. You just want to do too much, and like for real, like I'm about to hit, bam, bam, thank you, ma'am, all that good shit, and I'm splitting because we just friends with benefits and shit. But on a real note, man, like women get like emotionally attached once you have sex. So if you know you can't handle just being friends with benefits, like don't agree to it. Be like, no, if I can't have you in a relationship, then ain't nothing about to happen. Because a dude just gonna see it like, shit, I'm hitting this, but when I'm done hitting this, I can go fuck with old girl and shit, my main, or whoever he fuck with and shit, because y'all just friends with benefits. Y'all enjoy each other sexually, basically. And I mean, I believe that's like one of the most powerful tools in the world. Because everybody need that, you know, one little buddy that they could go to whenever they need to get some, you know, stress off, if you know what I'm saying. And, you know, just that's all it is, though. You ain't got to worry about get all the nagging, somebody trying to go through your phone, asking you questions, checking your drawers, sniffing your balls, and all that other crazy shit. You just motherfucker go in there, break a bitch back, and get gone. You ain't even gotta worry about all that crazy stuff. And for like the situations where you become attached to the person, I mean, if you feel like you become like on both ends, y'all both becoming attached, then fuck it, make it a relationship. But if it's just one person, the other one ain't feeling this shit, y'all gonna have to end that friends with benefits because it's gonna get out of hand and shit. They gonna feel like they could check you and ask you what you doing and shit. And nigga, once you establish that we friends with benefits, you can't ask me shit. You can't even motherfucker ask me when I'm gonna be there. Just know I'm gonna be there, and when I get there, be ready for me to hit and then split. And that's the end of it for real. If you got any more questions about that, then shit, you must not really know what friends with benefits mean. And shit, that's the end of it. I ain't got shit else to say about that crazy shit. But man, hit me up on Facebook, MySpace, even though that shit ain't jumping no more. Hit me up on Twitter at JuliusBG. Hit me up on my Yahoo, JuliusSucceed@yahoo.com. Shit, I will give y'all my BGSU ID email, but y'all motherfuckers been kept on sending me some crazy shit, so just hit me up on that other shit. Check my videos out on YouTube.